Welcome to InnoRate platform tutorial for innovation intermediaries. This quick tutorial will provide you the guidelines to register yourself in the platform as innovation intermediary and easily use the data analytics and matching service that platform offers, namely search and compare. If you are a company, agent, or individual who support business endeavors of clients through facilitating novelty, the Innovation Intermediaries tutorial is the right choice for you. In case you don't find yourself in the above innovation intermediaries, don't worry. InnoRate thought about you too, with an alternative tutorial available on the InnoRate website, namely innorateproject.eu. Okay, let's start now to use the platform from the user login or registration. Firstly, just as the platform, you browse InnoRate platform website, namely innoratedemo.ontotext.com. Okay, now on the top right of InnoRate platform website, you can choose the button Login or Register. We want to register a new innovation intermediary, so we press the button Register. As we can see, the registration process is formed by 4 steps. In the first step, we should provide general information of the person in charge of intermediary registration. We add the first name, the last name, the username, email, password, repeat the password. We are not an investor, thus in the final question we should answer no. Okay. Now we have to choose among different associate organization type of users. We will choose Innovation Intermediary and next. Now we need to choose the sector of interest among the proposed ones. We want to register Ernest and Young. Consequently, we opt for blockchain. That is one of the most relevant sector of interest for us. Now we can add EY website, and EY LinkedIn. And click Next. Moving to the final step of the registration, the fourth step, we need to fill the company information about the innovation intermediary. So we search for our company here. It could be already registered in the platform. However, in the case in which we can't find our company, we proceed choosing the final option, namely no matches found. Use entire company name. Therefore, we can add the company name and then we add the company address. The city, the country, the postal code, a contact number, how did you hear about us? InnoRate website. Would you like to subscribe to InnoRate newsletter? You can choose yes or no. It's optional. And I agree to privacy and cookie policy. You can read it here, the privacy and cookie policy. Complete. Once the registration is complete, you will redirect to the login window. Now you can insert your email address, and your password. We are now in front of the general dashboard interface of InnoRate. The dashboard, data analytics, and matching service can be accessed. The company can access two services, namely search and compare resource. If you click the button search on the top left side of your screen, you will be able to search for potential matches for our clients, investors, or small medium enterprise. This is based on several criteria that will help us to decide how to approach to potential collaborators. Furthermore, we will gain insight into the whole SME ecosystem and industry. To view a profile of a concrete company on the platform, we can write down the name of the company in the search bar. Alternatively, we can choose by a few filters criteria as innovation industry, organization type, company stage, completed pre-screening, economic block, or country. To set an example, if we choose the option blockchain under the innovation industry, we will be able to observe names of companies with same or similar innovation industry. If we want to see the ITR's scores of a company, we must click on the name of a company. On this case, I will choose BBL Inc. A new page is open and we obtain a quick view on relevant information about the company. The first one are the administrative data. Here we can observe the company sector, company description, and website. The second one is the InnoRate technology score. Here we can see that the ITR's score is 0, and that is because the deep assessment required to obtain ITRs for the company that we choose it has been not already finalized. Nevertheless, we can find below that partial scores of the company concerning macro. Is important to mention that the ITRs is elaborated on the base of 4 categories: management, technology competence, marketability, and business feasibility. For example, we can see under the management macro category that different indicators can be dependent through the spider chart. For example, technical employer is equivalent to 1 for innovator and 2.3 for industry. We can see also that each macro category of evaluation has a straight and weak indicator. As we can see here, the straight indicator of production and utilization of IPR is 10, and the weak indicator, work experience in the same industry, the score is 0.7. Another service that we can use is compare. It enables us to compare one company with other one. The process to choose the company is similar to the search service. Thus, I will keep choosing blockchain under the innovation industry. To compare two companies, I will select two companies to compare. I will choose the first one and the second one. Now, I will click on Compare Companies. The comparison appears in a new page with the comparative scores in different measurement indicators. If we scroll down, we can see the full set of comparative indicators. Here, the green line is the BBL company and the purple is the bank. Example, in the category Technology Indicator Evaluation, the unique technology of BBL is 2, and the bank uniques of technology is 5. Thank you for joining the InnoRate tutorial for innovation intermediaries. For more information on InnoRate project, please visit the website innorateproject.eu.